Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to teach you a beautiful lesson. Paropakaraya Mama Jeevanam. Okay. What is meant by Paropakaraya? Paropakaraya means for the welfare of others. Mama means my. Jeevanam means life. Okay. Listen here, children. Paropakaraya mama jeevanam. My life is for the welfare of others. Okay, children. First, I will read the paragraph. Then I will explain you the meaning. Okay. Listen carefully, children. Aham sarita asmi. Aham jalena Purita asmi. Aham swajalam na pibami. Apitu anyebhyaha sarvebhyaha yachami. Mama jalam snanaya kshalanaya pachanaya sechanaya cha asti. Kim Bahuna mama jalam paropakaraya. Okay, children. What is the meaning? Listen carefully. I will explain you. Listen. Aham sarita asmi. What is meant by sarita? Sarita means river. Aham means I, myself. Okay, what is the meaning? I am a river. The river is saying, I am a river. You can see a river here, right? These are all called as river, right? The river is saying, I am a river. Okay, what are the usage of a river? Okay, river water is used for farming, right? We are swimming in the river, right? See here, some boys are swimming. So the river is saying, Aham jalena purita asmi. I am always filled with water. Purita means filled. Okay. Aham jalena purita asmi. I am filled with water. Jalena means with water. Okay, children. Then, Aham swajalam na pibami. I am not drinking my own water. You just listen, children. You just think. Is the river drinking its own water? No, it is giving for others. Okay? Then, apitu anyebhyaha sarvebhyaha yachami. I am giving my water to others. I am not drinking myself. Okay, children? Then, mama jalam. My water is used for snanaya. Snanaya means to bath. Okay, children? Then, kshalanaya. What is by kshalanam? Kshalanam means to clean everything. Okay? Then, pachanaya. What is by pachanam? Pachanam means to cook. What is the most important thing for a cook? Water, right? If you want to eat food, water is necessary, right? That's why the river is saying pachanaya. Then sechanaya. What is by sechanam? Sechanam means pouring water. Okay? In Tamil we say நீர்நிலைகள்லேருந்து தண்ணி எடுத்து தளிப்பாங்க, எல்லா இடத்துக்கும் அனுப்புவாங்க. For agricultural reason, விவசாயத்துக்காக அனுப்புவாங்க. So that only the river is saying sechanaya asti kim bahuna mama jalam paropakaraya. Mama jalam paropakaraya eva bahuna asti. That means what? Mostly I am helping others. அந்த நதி என்ன சொல்லுது? நான் மற்றவர்களுக்காகவே தண்ணியை கொடுக்கிறேன். என்னைக்காவது நான் கொஞ்சம் தண்ணி எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேனா? இல்லை. Why we are reading this lesson? What is the message we are getting? We have to live for others, not for ourselves. செல்ஃபிஷாக இருக்கவே கூடாது. மற்றவர்களுக்காக வாழணும், மற்றவர்களுக்கு நிறைய செய்யணும். Okay? Then in this second paragraph, a farmer is saying how he is helping others. Listen. See here, see the second paragraph. See the picture, children. He is a farmer, right? Listen, if farmer is not there, farmers are not there, can we live in this country? Can we live in this world? No, we can't. How the farmer is helping? Just listen. Aham krishakaha asmi. Aham halena kshetram karshami. Janebhyaha annani vastrani cha yachami. Aham sarvebhyaha divanaktam karyam karomi. Mama jivanam paropakaraya. What does it mean by that? The farmer is saying, Aham krishakaha asmi. I am a farmer. Aham krishakaha means I am. Krishakaha means farmer. I am a farmer. Then aham halena kshetram karshami. What does it mean by aham halena kshetram karshami? I am digging the agricultural field with the help of the plow. In Tamil we say ஏறு கலப்பை சொல்வாங்க. அந்த farmer என்ன சொல்றாரு? நான் ஒரு விவசாயி. ஏறு கலப்பையினுடைய உதவியால நான் இந்த விவசாய பூமியை உயரேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாரு. Okay? Then karshami means digging. Okay, children? Kshetram means agricultural field. What does it mean by halena? Halena means with the plow. Okay, children? Then janebhyaha annani vastrani cha yachami. What is the meaning you are getting? Janebhyaha, for the people. Okay? Annani. What is annani? Annani means food, grains. In Tamil we say unavu porul, unavu dhaniyangal. Who is giving the grains for the people? The farmer is giving, right? Listen, the farmer is giving the grains, the food to the people, right? Not only that, vastrani. What does it mean vastrani? Vastrani means cloth. Okay? நம்ம பார்க்குறோமா இல்லையா, விவசாயிகள் அப்படின்னு நம்ம பார்க்கும்போது நம்ம ஏறு கலப்பை வச்சுக்கிட்டு நமக்காக உணவு தயார் பண்ணுறாங்களே, அவங்க மட்டும் விவசாயிகள் கிடையாது. நெசவு செய்கிறவங்களும் நெசவாளிகள், விவசாயிகள் சொல்லுவாங்க. தட்ஸ் வை த ஃபார்மர் இஸ் சேயிங் அன்னானி வஸ்திரானிச்ச. வஸ்திரானி மீன்ஸ் cloth. Okay? So what the farmer is saying, I am giving the food and the cloth to the people. Then aham sarvebhyaha diva naktam karyam karomi. What is the meaning you are getting? Aham means I, sarvebhyaha means for all the people, for all the animals, for all the creatures. Diva naktam. Diva means day, naktam means night. Karyam karomi. Karya means work. Karo means I am doing. So, I am working day and night for all the creatures in this world. Who is saying that? The farmer is saying. Listen here. The farmer is saying, Aham sarvebhyaha diva naktam karyam karomi. Then the last one, Mama jivanam paropakaraya. My life is for the welfare of others. In Tamil we say, மற்றவர்களுக்காகவே வாழுதல். ஒரு விவசாயி அவங்களுக்காக வாழறாங்களா? கிடையாது, மற்றவர்களுக்காகவே வாழறாங்க. After to the farmer, who is the most important person in this world? See here, he is called as Desa Rakshakaha, Sainikaha. Who is called as Sainikaha? Sainikaha means soldier. He is very important person in this country, in this world. Why? Because how the farmer is protecting us? By giving food, right? The soldier is giving his own soul to protect us. விவசாயிகள் எப்படி உணவு கொடுத்து நம்மளை காப்பாத்துறாங்களோ, சோல்ஜர்ஸ் நம்ம தேசத்தை காப்பாற்றக்கூடிய ராணுவ வீரர்கள் அவங்களுடைய உயிரை கொடுத்து நம்மளை காப்பாத்துறாங்க. Do you agree or not? Listen what the soldier is saying. Listen. Aham sainikaha asmi. Aham sainikaha asmi. Aham desha rakshayai seema pradesham gacchami. Nagarikanam suraksham karomi. जनानां रक्षा एव मम कर्तव्यम अस्ति. मम जीवनम देशाय. What the soldier is saying, listen. Aham sainikaha asmi. Aham means I. Sainikaha means soldier. So the soldier is saying, I am a soldier. Okay? Then aham desha rakshayai seema pradesham gacchami. அந்த ராணுவ வீரர் என்ன சொல்றாரு? நான் இந்த நாட்டை காப்பாத்துறதுக்காக எல்லை பகுதிக்கு போறேன். I am going to the border of the country to protect this country. Okay? Then desha rakshayai, that means what? Protect our country. Seema Pradesh means border of the country. You know pretty well, Jammu and Kashmir is a border of our country, right? ஒரு பார்டர் தான் ஜம்மு அண்ட் காஷ்மீர். இது மாதிரி நிறைய இடம் இருக்கு. ஒரு இடத்துல இந்த சோல்ஜர்ஸ் இருந்து காப்பாத்துறாங்களா இல்லையா? டெரரிஸ்ட் கிட்ட நம்மளை காப்பாத்துறது யாரு? ரைட்? தென் நாகரிகானாம் சுரக்ஷாம் கரோமி. Who is called as நாகரிகா? Nagarikaha means citizen. குடிமகன். ஒரு குடிமகனும் காப்பாத்துறது யாரு? Soldiers, army people, right? Listen, Nagarikanam suraksham karomi. I am saving, I am protecting every citizens of this country. Okay? Then jananam raksha eva mama kartavyam asti. The one and only duty for me is should save all the people. எல்லாரையும் காப்பாத்துறது தான் என்னுடைய தலையாய கடமைன்னு சொல்றாங்க. ஓகே, லிசன். ஜனானாம் ரக்ஷா. ஜனானாம் ரக்ஷா மீன்ஸ் மக்களின் பாதுகாப்பு. அதுதான் முக்கியமானதுன்னு சொல்றாரு அந்த சோல்ஜர். Jananam raksha eva mama kartavyam. What does it mean, mama kartavyam? Mama kartavyam means I should do my duty. What is my duty? My duty is to teach the students. What is the duty of a student? He should read well, she should read well, right? What is the duty of a parent? They should protect their children, right? Likewise, what is the duty of a soldier? To protect this country, right? That's why the soldier is saying jananam raksha eva mama kartavyam. At last the soldier is saying mama jivanam deshaya. What does it mean jivanam? Jivanam means life. Deshaya means for the country. என்னுடைய உயிர், என்னுடைய உடல் எல்லாமே நாட்டிற்காக சமர்ப்பிக்கிறேன். எல்லாமே அவங்களுக்காக சொல்லி கொடுத்துறாங்க இல்லையா? So Today I taught you about soldier, then a farmer, then the first paragraph, listen here, about a river. Okay, children? In our next session, I will teach you a shloka related to this topic. Okay? Did you understand this lesson, children? Good. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Dhanyavadaha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.